Hey guys, it's Jack, and I'm here today with my friend Carson. He has a YouTube channel called Cooking with Carson, and today we're going to be filming some collab videos. So for my channel, we are going to be making Taylor Swift's favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe from Anne Burrell. And so we have all the ingredients, and we're going to be making it for you, and we're going to see how they taste and see if they're really as good as Taylor says. And Carson, what are we going to do on your channel?
We're going to be making spaghetti and meatballs.
So yes, make sure to watch Carson's video, which will be linked down below and at the end card at the end of this video, and subscribe to his channel. So let's get started with making the cookies. So for the first part of the recipe, we're going to be combining the 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, so I'm looking at the recipe out here, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 cup of rolled oats, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. So let's start with that. Okay, so the next step is to combine our 2 sticks of butter, our 1 cup of packed dark or light brown sugar. This is dark or light. This is golden brown.
It's in the middle.
Somewhere. And then our 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. So let's start doing that. Okay, so now we have to add in the vanilla and the eggs one by one. And then one at a time, we have to beat in the eggs. Okay, so now we're going to add the flour mixture in with our wet ingredients. Okay, so now it's time to add in the chocolate chips. So Carson's allergic to walnuts and he does not like dark chocolate. So we're not going to add the walnuts in, and we're going to use milk chocolate chips. So now we're going to add the sea salt to the top of the cookies. Okay, so this is what the cookies look like, and now we're going to taste them. 3, 2, 1, let's go. They're really good.
Yeah, they're not bad.
These are really good.
Considering I took a tiny itty bitty bit.
I see why Taylor likes these so much. But yes, I give this recipe a 8 out of 10. What about you?
7 out of 10.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching that video. I really, really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to check out Carson's video that is out now. It's us making spaghetti. And subscribe to his channel. And I will see you guys in my next one.
Bye.